What we do here is go back.
So Sonicgear has sent me one of their latest earbuds that they've just released, if I'm not mistaken, because I've checked out, there's no reviews on it yet. Mine might be the first one, just saying. So these are the Sonicgear Earpump Comfy 1 earbuds. I use it for 1 week so far, and here are my thoughts on it. Now the first thing that strikes most is how tiny these are. I mean, look at this. It might be even smaller than the AirPods 3, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have one to compare, but just from looking at it, just from holding it, it's definitely tinier than that. And also, if I compare it with the AirPods Pro, it definitely is smaller. I mean, it's a little bit more thicker, but size wise overall, it's definitely smaller and definitely pocketable. So these guys come in 4 different colors: mint green, pink, it comes in white, and of course black. And not just any black, matte black. Another thing that I noticed is also USB Type-C. Gotta love it when they use USB Type-C to charge it. Automatically puts it way ahead of the AirPods Pro just because of that. I'm just kidding. The lid is it's well placed, well fixed compared to the AirPods Pro that I have, and also the previous earbuds that I just reviewed, which is the Hornet 7 Pros. Based on the build wise, these are definitely way more high end. It feels more high end, and plus the lid, it's got a satisfying click to it, not gonna lie. So when you open it up, you immediately notice the interesting design. So they went with the bean shape design for the earbuds, which kind of replicates the Galaxy Buds, which is interesting because I've never seen a lot of other headphones replicating this particular design as of yet, because most of the companies out there, they're trying to copy the AirPods Pro. So this is interesting to see another company try to use the Galaxy Buds design. I've never seen or tried one of these kind of designed earbuds before, so I was very confused in how to use it. So what's interesting is, you might think that the speakers are, the earbud speakers are over here, but no, they're down here. So these designs, basically, they fit your ear canal very, very well. And all you gotta do is slot it in, so this end will go right into your ear canal, whereas the other part just sticks out, and it's a very good fit. As soon as you put it on, it immediately connects. This thing comes with Bluetooth 5.1, so multiple devices connecting it and transferring from each device seamlessly is just perfect. So another thing to note about this compared to the Hornet 7 is that this has IPX5 rated. So that basically means it's sweat, rain, and dust resistance. Perfect for, if you're working out, you're in the outdoors. Absolutely perfect. Compared to the Hornet 7, these are more all-rounder, if you get what I mean. Also, comfort wise, these are one of the most comfortable earbuds I've ever used so far. It's up there. It's not the best, but it is definitely up there, top 5 maybe. Like, just the fit and how light it is as well. Like, these are definitely sports ready because they're so freaking light. I think around 4 grams, which is just amazing. They don't add any weight, if you get what I mean. So they have like rubber tips that comes with the earbuds. You can slot it on as they act basically as anchors, more friction to keep it in place. But in my opinion, just from the way it's designed, it's very hard for it to fall off because it's right in there in your ear. So the earbuds battery life, alright, so these guys have lesser ones compared to the Hornet 7 that I reviewed earlier. These one only have 5 hours of total usage, but an extra 30 from the charger over here, so total of 35 hours. So that's pretty cool in that case scenario. These are very tiny earbuds, so they probably got smaller batteries, but for the size and for the usage, it's pretty decent to have 5 hours of usage. Now, how do they sound? Well, for 169 ringgit earbuds that are super tiny, they're very decent. I mean, for the at this price point, it's probably one of the top rated qualities that you can get out there. The 100 to 200 ringgit range earbuds, these are definitely on top by far. Like, there's no distortion, the bass and treble is like perfectly balanced. It kind of almost sound like the AirPods with transparency mode on. So yeah, there's that. It's definitely not gonna be your Sony's WF-1000 Mark IVs. It's definitely not gonna beat the AirPods Pros with noise cancelling on. So these things do not come with noise cancelling, by the way. It's just standard earbuds, proper music, just the standard stuff. So these are how the earbuds sound like. Considering how small these earbuds are, the microphones are doing a decent job. Not the best, but decent. These are by far one of the best earbuds I've tested so far on this channel. I mean, does it beat the AirPods Pro? Not really. I mean, it doesn't have your transparency mode, it doesn't have your active noise cancelling. So that department, obviously the AirPods Pro, it wins. Sound quality wise, it wins. But for earbuds that cost below 200 ringgit, these are kind of a steal in my opinion. So if you're looking for a pretty decent experience that is close to AirPods, the baseline AirPods, the normal ones without noise cancelling, these might be a great option if you're trying to save some money, because these are pretty decent. Just saying, I've tried earbuds within this price range. I tried the Anchor ones, and my god, they were so bad. You barely can hear the music. There's so much distortion, and it just wasn't good. I mentioned it before in my Hornet 7 review. These ones are very clear, they're very audible. I mean, if you're an audiophile, obviously you're not gonna enjoy it, but just for the casual listen while you're commuting to your work, or you're on a bus, you're anywhere, you're walking, you're jogging, any of those activities, these are just perfect to use. Just saying. I mean, they're also pretty well built. The plastic that they use to build the casing is pretty a very good quality one. You can really tell. These are definitely, in my opinion, better than the Hornet 7 usage wise, because I mean, it's way smaller, it looks nicer, it's got a more satisfying casing lid. If you want to purchase one of these yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Do check them out. They're pretty awesome. Just saying, they're very, very awesome. And so of course, before I end the video, I like to tell you to subscribe to the video. Do leave a like and comment down below what you think is the best earbuds within the 100 and 200 ringgit price range, or even better ones that are above those ranges that I can maybe review in the future. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.